Let's make this cute little dog with some basic watercolor supplies. Have you ever tried Chinese ink? We'll do it at the very end to bring this little puppy to life. Hi, I'm Laura and welcome to LALA Love channel. So let's see what we need to start. Some clean water, tissue paper, Chinese ink, watercolor paint. It doesn't need to be expensive. A set like this will be more than fun to start with watercolor painting. I'll leave in the description below a link where you can find a perfect set to start. It comes with watercolor pans, tray palette, watercolor paper and some brushes, and it's not expensive at all. Any watercolor paper, cause we'll work with the wet on dry technique. A tray palette, round brushes, 2H pencil. It gives more precise and lighter strokes, so we can avoid to see them through the watercolor paint. Eraser and a sharpener. Let's begin with the drawing. Try to make smooth lines to get a cleaner drawing after erasing. So, keep your eraser clean, rubbing it on a clean piece of paper before you start your project. And sharpen your pencil if needed. So let's get ready to paint. Keep a paper with the colors of your watercolor set. They tend to be different from the pans. For our dog, we are going to use basically these three colors. Put some water on the pans and some on the palette. Pick a bit of paint up and put it on your palette to get the tone that you're looking for. Keep cleaning your brush between colors. Try the colors on a different piece of paper. Let's make the first layer. It has to be done with a really light tone, so then we can go shading from a lighter color to a darker one. With watercolor, we can't go the other way back. Start from the top and try not to go back over the already painted part. This can damage your paper. Go down, spreading the watercolor as you were sweeping it. Watercolor can be removed putting some clear water on it and then absorb it with a tissue paper. Put a little bit more of clean water and absorb it again. You can push with the tissue, but never rub it or the paper can get ruined. Other way is cleaning your brush and dry it with the tissue paper. Absorb the unwanted paint with the brush, clean it, put some clean water on the same place to remove it with the dried brush again. Let it dry. You can also use a hair dryer. For the second layer, we are going to apply two colors. Start with the lighter one. From this layer to the end, it's important to be aware of where the shades and lights will be in our painting, so we can leave those lighter parts with a bit of paint or none. Remember, with watercolor, we can go darker, not lighter. Keep cleaning your brush between colors. Let the new layer dry. Let's add another layer. If your paints are dried, just put a bit of water on them and check the tones again. For this layer, we are going to add darker ones. Keep the shades and lights in your mind. For the tongue, we'll use this carmine red. For the rest of the mouth, we'll use the other color chosen from the beginning. We'll paint the eyes and nose with Chinese ink to get a strong and brighter look. Take a different brush from the one you used for watercolor. The Chinese ink is a little harder to remove, so it's better to use a different one. Use the tissue paper to remove the excess. Don't push the brush on the paper, just touch it in a light way. Practice in another paper first. Let's see our final layer. We'll darken the tone and add a bit of brown. Use clean water or a lighter tone to soften edges. Finally, let's add Chinese ink to get a brighter and cute dog. Check your ink lines. You'll see they are not even, and that's pretty cool. But let's balance the thickness in some places, so it will look on purpose. What I love the most when I work with small paintings is to feel less afraid of ruining my work with a mistake. That's because there's no problem to start again if I can't solve it. It's easier to get creative and work with your mistake when you are relaxed without the frustration for what just happened. Plus, you learn with this kind of exercise what you have to be careful with when you're working big. Remember, don't breed or buy, adopt! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos every week. Thanks Think Media, your channel really helped me out with my first video release. And thank you for watching, leave me a comment. Till next video, bye!